Hi, another video quickie from my mango plantation. This is about 6 months old. It had its first flush. This is the graft up here. This is the first flush, and where it should have pushed out a bloom, it has pushed out a giant leaf. This is the leaf. Very unusual. I have not seen this before in my life. I don't think I ever will. I thought I'd document it. Let me pull down the leaves a little without breaking them. A giant leaf instead of a bloom. So, what is a normal bloom? Here's another plant from the same. Here's the plant. It should have pushed out a bunch of leaves and a bloom like this from the node, but it did not. Another look. One giant leaf instead of a bloom. I can only see one eye, one potential eye. Let me see if this focuses there, from which we might see a bloom that might give a branch here, but otherwise, one giant leaf. Thank you for watching.